Hey, how are you? Fine? That's good. Today we are going to continue reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 55. Reading lesson 3. Remember, let's fly a kite. We are going to finish with this story, putting in practice here what we already have learned. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, here we go. It is a bit windy today. The mailman brought a package for Bobby. There is a kite making heat. Okay. Bobby calls Max and Susie right away. They make their kite out of light glue and paper. They attach a string to each of the kites. Max says, "Let's go out and fly our kites in the wind." The children have lots of fun. Excellent. Remember to fill in the blanks to complete the story with the words from the word back. And here you have the word back. You have Max, windy, Bobby, wind, string, Susie, package, paper, away, and do. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, nobody is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.